this is my 100 watt dimmable LED project. So we got a cheap 100 watt LED from eBay, obviously put on a CPU heatsink just to deal with the heat. That's powered by a very cheap, probably less than £5. That's a boost converter, so that takes a lower voltage and puts it up to a higher voltage, because this needs about 30 to 35 volts to run. Then what we've got is, obviously this is just a watt meter that gives the watts being used, currently none because it's not plugged in. 3-cell LiPo, but it could run off anything from 2 cells up to about 6 cells probably, because this has got quite a wide voltage range. And then to top it all off, this actually has 2 little pads on the corner here, which when they're connected together, they actually turn this whole unit off. And I've discovered by a bit of trial and error that if you connect these up to a 555 timer based pulse width modulator generator, you can actually turn that on and off very, very quickly, and it will act like a dimmer switch. So I'm just going to demonstrate that now. We plug it in, it'll get very bright very quickly, and then this little potentiometer here should just smoothly adjust the voltage down, and then up again, of course. And the only interesting thing to show you here is if this voltage is adjusted upwards very slowly and then downwards just around a critical point, you get some very nice patterns, which may or may not be showing up on my camera there. It's not really supposed to do that. That's usually a sign that these LEDs are quite cheap and they're not completely uniform. And you can probably guess which string is going to burn out first. Considering I spent about £3 on this, I'm not too worried. It's pretty quick to replace this little bit, and hopefully they'll be better in a few years' time anyway. So there we go. That's my dimmable. Well, it's going to be a work light, so I'm going to run it off some kind of mains adapter. Could make quite a good torch as well. And of course, if you hook this up to a kind of bigger heatsink fan and use a higher rated one of these, you could use this at the full 100 watts. So at the moment, what I've done is, to stop this overheating, I've set the voltage on this specifically a little bit lower than this is supposed to have. So the amount of current it draws will also be lower, and the total number of watts that is being consumed at the moment is about 8. So this is running like a 10 watt LED that's down a little bit on power, and as I adjust the dimmer switch, the watts goes down, so it's on 3.5 now, down a bit more, it's on 0, back up to 8. But as I said, if you uprated the heatsink fan and you made sure that this could deal with the wattage, you could have this going all the way up to 100, and it would be quite a lot brighter. So, there you have it, that's my dimmable LED project.